What's up guys, finally Poco X2 has been officially unleashed and we got some clips of first impression and hands-on video of this beautiful device. So this is said that it is the rebranded version of Redmi K30. You can see it looks way much similar to that Redmi K30 design. Back is almost same, even though front is same. We have that same shaped dual camera setup at the front side. Anyways, let's have a look at this beast hands-on video. It's looking really cool. So first of all, let's talk about the specs of this device. Then this Poco X2 is fueled by a Snapdragon 730G processor. That's not a fair thing. What Xiaomi is actually doing, they should have added Snapdragon 855 at least, but they didn't. In Redmi K30 we saw Snapdragon 765G. That was also a mid-range below processor, and something we have different in this Poco X2 is 120Hz of refresh rate. Yes, Poco has added 120Hz in their Poco X2, so this is the first smartphone from Poco series having higher refresh rate display with full HD plus resolution, but this is not much. Poco should have given us with Quad HD plus resolution, and it is an LCD display. Well, I am satisfied with full HD plus resolution, and even though I am satisfied with Snapdragon 730G processor, but here this LCD display doesn't make sense because this LCD display is not good. I mean, at least in this price tag of almost $281 for the higher end variant of 8GB of RAM, Poco must have provided us with AMOLED display at least, but not. Poco ditched it. On the other hand, I am happy with 120Hz display, and battery is also enough. That is 4500 milliamps of capacity with 27 watts of fast charging, and Poco claims that this 27 watts of fast charging can charge your smartphone in almost 57 minutes to full 100%. And this is also good. I mean, amazing feature like 27 watts of fast charging is not a small thing. Thumbs up for this 120Hz and 27 watts of fast charging support in this new Poco X2. The display is actually much larger, 20:9 aspect ratio of display will also be there, and we have side mounted fingerprint scanner that is fast enough to unlock Poco X2 in milliseconds. Now let's talk about cameras. Poco X2 is having quad camera setup at rear side with 64 megapixel primary lens from Sony IMX686. And it is a wide-angle lens. It is a best sensor that captures really detailed images. And next to that, we have a 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a 2 megapixel macro lens, and another 2 megapixel lens that is actually the depth sensor that will give you shallow depth of field, I mean blur in your portraits. So it's all in one camera smartphone but without 108 megapixel sensor. Obviously in this price tag, Poco cannot add this 108 megapixel sensor in this mid-range device. So we have the best lenses, and at the front side we have a pill-shaped camera setup, same as like of Galaxy S10 Plus, but it is actually a bit smaller in size. Obviously it is a 20 megapixel lens with a 2 megapixel depth sensor, so from front side also nothing is missing. We have a full package of camera setup in this Poco X2. And talking about prices, then 8GB of RAM with 256 gigs of internal storage is priced at $281. That is actually the higher end variant of Poco X2 series, and obviously it has MIUI 11 support with latest software update from Xiaomi. So I would say that this is an amazing device, but AMOLED display is actually missing from it. Other than that, it is a truly budget king. Let me know what feature did you like most in this phone. Write down in comment section below. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next one.